Hey everybody, it's Becca J. Welcome back to my channel. I have something fun today. Well, I hope it'll be fun. It's a mystery. I went on to Etsy and I was looking at, mystery stuff that my little girl might enjoy, and I found like mystery stickers. And today I got one of them. Here's the package. And look at this cute sticker. Aww. Says, thank you from Artistic Cheese Whiz. I will put their shop in the link down below. Well, I will put their shop link for you down below. But I'm really excited about this because it was a mystery package. I don't know what the stickers are, but it's really neat because she designs, does all the artwork for her stickers and creates everything all herself. So I think that's just absolutely fantastic. I did put in, you could put in a little message to the seller, and I did tell her it was for a 5-year-old girl. I know they're mysteries and I can't choose what I get, but I wanted to let her know it was for a younger age group. So let's open it. Aww, it's a little card. That's beautiful. Let's see what the card says. Thank you for your order. I picked stickers I thought a 5-year-old would enjoy. Aww. Super cute. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at them first because she might get really excited and we'll never get a good close-up of each sticker. She likes to put them everywhere. So who knows what she's going to do once she gets her hands on these. So let's take a look first. This is cute. Look at this. It's like a mummy dog wrapped in toilet paper. It's cute. Oh, how fun. What is this? The plesiosaurus? The politosaurus? She actually makes these in plushies. I thought about ordering one. Oh, I can't remember the name of the show. Wubbing Waddles. What is that? Mystery. Oh, but yeah, the pig. Oh, how cute. Oh, dear. Oh, I like this one. Oh. This is adorable. This one's perfect. That's my favorite for her so far. The pink ram. Aww. Another dinosaur. It looks like Littlefoot almost from Land Before Time. Another one from that. I can't remember the name of the show. Something Mystery or Mystery something. But here it is, the Wonder Twins. Oh, it's cute. And that little dinosaur. These are adorable. She did so good, and just, I don't know, I really like everything. So our next step is to go see how Kiddo likes it. So I'm gonna pack everything up and relocate and give it to her and see how she likes it, and we'll take a look at that. Okay, let's do that. It's mail for you.
Really?
Yeah.
I want to open it.
Okay.
And see what it is.
Okay.
Is it a toy?
No.
What is it?
It's mail for you.
What? I wanted a toy.
Well, look. You got a card with a unicorn on it.
What is this?
They're stickers.
Really? They're not stickers.
They're for you.
Oh,
Somebody made them.
who made them?
Look at all of your stickers. You can put them on your table.
I can't stick it.
You have to peel it off.
Oh, where? I can't peel it.
You want me to peel it?
Yes. I have to see what else on the back. It says nothing on the back.
No. What's it a picture of?
I don't know. Let me see.
It's a dragon.
No, this is a dragon.
Yeah.
That almost looks like a bear. Oh, sheep. And a wolf. And a pig. And a little, I don't know what this is, a turtle. And let me see what this is. What is this? A pop out?
No, it's a sticker.
You can pop it out too.
Yeah.
That's fun. My nails are really sharp.
Oh, you did it.
I'm not breaking it. Look, I didn't break it.
Good job.
Now this is trash.
Yep.
I don't know where to stick it at. I don't know where to stick it. I think I'll stick it in where I'm sitting at. What is else? What is else?
Well, look at them.
This is a sticker.
I can't see. Put it down here so I can see. Yep, they're all stickers. Here you go. I got the doggy wrapped up in toilet paper.
I don't do this one.
Okay.
I can do it. I just know all of these stickers can stick. Sheep.
Yeah.
And other ones. Let me see that unicorn page. Where's that unicorn page?
Oh, right here.
What does it say?
It says, "We hope you like the stickers. Somebody made them just for you."
Oh, let me see read. What? That's wrong. I almost said it was Daddy.
Yeah.
Here, it was Daddy.
Yeah.
Who was it? One more? Or two more?
There's more.
I don't know if this is enough.
You need more next time?
More stickers?
Next time?
More stickers?
Next time?
I'm saying more stickers.
Yeah.
One more?
One more. Okay. You
This
like your stickers?
Yes.
Yeah. And your beautiful card?
I want to bring this to school.
Okay.
I'm going to put it in my backpack.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yay, say bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time. Is they gone?
Yes.
Why are they gone?
Because it's time for the video to be over. Why, you want to say something else? What do you want to say?
Thank you.
Oh, sweet girl. Okay, bye.
Bye. Who's that? I think.
Okay. So she stuck them to her chair, which means she does like them because that little chair is special just for all her special stickers that she likes and gets from like doctor's appointments and special things and stuff. Those were super cute stickers. I will put the link down below to the shop that I got them from. Super great customer service, super great products. That was a lot of fun. She was a little unsure what I was doing because we don't usually video like that. So, but she loves them. She really does, or she wouldn't have put them to her chair. So yeah, thanks to the shop. You did a really good job. She does like them. Like I said, the note said that she tried to look for something for that age range. It was perfect. It was good. The Mystery Falls, I remember now. The Mystery Falls stickers are my favorite, and that little pink ram, adorable. Yeah, this was a good little unboxing, a little unpackaging. Okay, well, if you've tried anything like that or this shop, let me know what's going on. Check them out because they do lots of stuff for scrapbooking and just stickers. And like I said, she makes plushies and all kinds of super cute stuff. Alrighty. Okay. Bye.
Good job, Mom.
Don't forget, click, like, subscribe.